Okay, so I've got some peeled boiled eggs, halved, and so we're going to just do a few different options for snacks. Obviously, I wouldn't make all of these. I'd just choose one at a time, but I just wanted to demonstrate. So we've got some pesto and olives. And this one, I'm going to use my new favorite thing, crispy chili oil. Well, that's probably a bit of oil, but anyway. Okay, and cashews. And then we're going to do good old hummus. And some dukkha, however you say it. Oh, it's going to crash. And then last one, mayo. And some everything bagel spice. Yay, snack time.